Today's movie is about the comet that's supposed to hit Earth in 2032, or the asteroid as they call it. Now, they've said that it's not going to hit Earth, that the chances are very slim, so people are not as scared as they were. But I think it's time to talk about climate change, because people are so afraid that, the Earth is going to warm 2 degrees by 2070, and the Maldives is going to go under the sea because of rising sea levels. And the news and society, they put all of their time and energy, or too much time and energy, into the boogeyman of climate change. Meanwhile, an asteroid could hit the Earth and destroy the entire Earth. So we wouldn't have sea levels rising because we wouldn't have seas. We wouldn't have people with food shortages due to what they call climate insecurity, because there would be no people left to have food. So this is why it's important for humanity to colonize and live on Mars and planets like that. Now, if you tell people that they can't fly rockets to Mars and they can't try to land and build colonies on the moon because it will create too much CO2 and too much methane gas and climate change will get worse, if you tell them that, they're going to stop exploring planets because they're not going to be getting funding. They're not going to be able to build their venture, find the capitalists to give them money to invent and test their products. So if you say because of climate change we can't explore other planets, and then an asteroid hits the Earth and we're all here on Earth because you didn't let us explore other planets because of climate change, then the climate change people are the reason that humanity will perish. Because if you look at 1960s congressional debates with NASA for funding, the people in NASA in the 1960s were expecting us by now to have colonies on other planets, to have spaceships that can fly around different galaxies. If you watch all of the movies from the 1970s, the 1980s, and the 1990s, Star Trek, Star Wars, this show, that show, everybody was in space. We were told we were going to be in space by now, and one of the main reasons keeping us from going to space is the climate change people. And now you see that there's an asteroid that people were afraid it was going to hit the Earth. Now you see that the whole Earth can be destroyed and all of humanity if we don't explore other planets. So now you should stop worrying so much about climate change and start using your ingenuity and your inventive skills to build machines that can bring us to other planets, and machines that we can use to help us build houses and adjust to the climates and atmospheres of those other planets.